Hello students, welcome to Shortcut. Today we will start exercise number 1.2 from class 9th mathematics book. So the first question is, it's given true and false, and the second one is also very easy. So we'll start with the third one, which is to represent this on a number line. Now root 5, how this can be represented on the number line. So first of all, as you can see that we have to represent root 5. Now it's very, we don't know where it will come. So how we'll start this? Now first of all, we will draw a rough figure of a triangle, a right angled triangle, that is ABC. Suppose this is a triangle. This you have to draw yourself in the rough. So this you have drawn. After drawing this, now A, B and C. Now you know, according to Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse, this is called the hypotenuse. I am writing here with a colored pen. Now this is called the hypotenuse, this bottom part is called the base, and this is perpendicular, this is called perpendicular. So here you can say AC is hypotenuse, AB is base, and BC is perpendicular. Okay, now as you can see that root 5 we have to find. So this hypotenuse will be root 5, so we'll call it root 5, and AB, we call this AB, that is the base, and BC the perpendicular. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, the AC square, that is the square of the perpendicular, that is AC square, is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So this formula, as you know very well about the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now as you can see root 5 is given, so we will see that after we add these two, that means we after we solve this AC, we should get AC as root 5. Now how is it possible? If we will take AB square as 2 and BC square as 1. Now this how will this is very easy calculation actually, because you know it is just a number, 5 number is there. Okay, so if we will take 2 square, that means 2 2s are 4, it will become 4, and the other side it is, now we got 4, now remaining is only 1. So 1 square is 1 only, so we'll take 1 square. So very easy to check out whether that how we can get this AC. So AC is 5 we have got, so we can't take here anything, any other number. Okay, because if we are taking 3, so 3 3s are 9. If we are taking 1, 1 1s are 1, and here also 1 1s are 1, so it will cost us 2 only. But we have to find 5, we have to make it 5. How will make it 5? 2 square is 4, that I have written here, 2 2s are 4, and then we'll need 1 1s are 1 only, so 4 plus 1 5. Okay, so AC is 5, but it is AC square, so square will come this side and take it in root, so it will be root 5. So AC you will get root 5. Okay, now you got AC as root 5, so AC is root 5, it's already given also. And here AB, what we took the value of AB, we took the value of AB 2, so here it will write, we will write 2. So AB we got 2, and we got the value of BC, what we put, 1 only, so BC is 1 only. So we got the values of all the things. AC is root 5, BC is 1, and AB is 2. Now what we have to do? Now you don't have to get confused. Now simply what we gonna do, we gonna draw a line. So this is the line you have drawn, we'll put a mark 0, and this side it will be negative and this side it will be positive. So 0, now from 0 you will put some marks at equal interval, that like we do in the number lines also. So like here, if we'll take 1 centimeter also, it will be 1 2 3 4. If you are taking it in 1 inch also, that also possible. Okay, whatever you like, but most probably the students, they have the scale in centimeters only, centimeter, inch is given, so you can take inch also, but centimeters would be quite comfortable. So it will be equal distance, that is centimeter in centimeter. So from 0 you can draw as much you want, 5 6 7 8 9 10, whatever you like. Okay, now after drawing this, we have to see that what is AB. AB is 2, so from starting from 0 we'll take 2 steps. 2 steps means it's given 2 points, so 2 points, it's in centimeter or inch, whatever it is, but it should be equal throughout. So we'll take 2. So where is 2? Now this is 1 and this is 2. Got it? Now after taking द 2 पॉइंट्स दैट इज़ 2 यूनिट्स ऑन द बॉटम साइड। अब यहाँ पर हमें ये सेम टू सेम ट्राइंगल बनाना है, यानी कि ये ऐसे बनना चाहिए। देखिए कैसे, ये इस प्रकार से, ठीक है। अब इसमें नीचे का बेस जो है दैट इज़ 2 यूनिट्स, तो वी हैव टेकन दिस बेस इज 2 यूनिट्स एंड दिस साइड इज दिस परपेंडिकुलर इज 1 यूनिट, सो वी विल टेक 1 यूनिट दिस साइड। इट मे बी सेंटीमीटर, इंचेस, वट एवर यू टेकन एट द बॉटम साइड, तो उतना ही हमें ऊपर जाना है। सपोज इट इज़ इन सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस ऑल्सो इन सेंटीमीटर, तो ये आपका 2 हो गया और ये आपको कितना मिल गया 1। तो इस तरीके से आपका 1 हो गया, ये 2 हो गया। इसके बाद आपका जो बचा हुआ है दैट इज़ ए सी। जब ये 2 हुआ और ये 1 हुआ तो ए सी आपका √5 ही होगा ऑब्वियसली, तो ये आपका √5 आ जाएगा। लेकिन अभी जो √5 हमने दर्शाया है वो यहाँ पर है, जबकि हमें दर्शाना है वो नंबर लाइन के ऊपर। तो हम क्या करेंगे, अपना राउंडर लीजिए। अब आपका जो प्रकार है, जो राउंडर है, उसको लीजिए और उसका जो नॉब है, जो निडल रहता है, निडल को यहाँ पे रखिए ओ पॉइंट पे। निडल को यहाँ पे रखने के बाद आप इसको इतना खोलिए यहाँ तक, ये √5 है ना। इतना खोलने के बाद यहाँ से आप एक डॉटेड लाइन या कोई भी लाइन एक ऐसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं जो यहाँ पर, बस आपको ध्यान रखना है जो इसका निडल है वो यहाँ होना चाहिए और पेंसिल उसका यहाँ होना चाहिए। और यहाँ से जब आप उसको ऐसे करके नीचे की तरफ ले जाएंगे तो एक पॉइंट जो आपको मिलेगा, वो पॉइंट जो रहेगा वो रहेगा आपका √5, तो उसी को हम √5 कहेंगे, ठीक है। तो इस प्रकार से ये सम आपका पूरा हो सकता है, बहुत ही ईजी है। सपोज़ यहाँ पर कोई और नंबर दिया गया हो तो आप उस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं। कोई और नंबर दिया गया है तो भी आप सेम वे में बेस लीजिए, फिर उसका परपेंडिकुलर यूनिट्स लीजिए और फिर जो उसका डिस्टेंस है उतना अगर अपना राउंडर खोल के आप यहाँ पॉइंट से इसको सेंटर लेंगे हम और इतना खोलेंगे पेंसिल को और फिर हम उस नंबर लाइन के ऊपर उसको दर्शा देंगे। तो इस प्रकार से ये सम आपका सॉल्व हो सकता है। तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज 1.2। होप यू एंजॉयड द वीडियो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।